Today's video is gonna be a series of the short approach. First part, we're gonna talk about sighting, how to place your legs and cue on the straight line so you could start your short approach correctly. Okay, so one of the first most important things, depending how you stay, is start to putting two balls in between cue ball and object ball and making sure you stand straight behind the line like this. So this is the kind of aiming method I use to walk into the straight line. So I don't want to stand too much to the left so I could see the red there, or too much to the right. I just want to stand from my eye perspective straight to the line like this. Basically, like I'm coming through this gate with my center part of the body. And this is how I sight the ball. I'm slight left eye dominant, so as a right hand player, for me, this looks like a straight line. For the left hand, it's slightly more tilt, but it's a similar idea. I don't want to be too much side on here or too much side on here. I want to be just behind the line. So that's step number one. Okay, so first thing what I do after I check my sighting, both feet close, right heel on the line. You can put like this, just making sure that you know it's on the line. Left leg, cue on line. Everything is on one line already. Head high, cue on line already. And that helps you really well to set your shot approach well. And then the last part, sighting, right leg, left leg with the cue, with the bridge hand, touch with your fingertips, cloth, and already my cue direction is pointing to the straight direction there, okay? Before the arm slide, which I'm gonna give you in the next lesson, okay? Right leg, left, cue direction straight, walk in. It doesn't matter, you play straight shots or angle shots, the principle is the same. The principle is the same. If I want to hit this ball there, spot the ball, heel on the line, right leg, left leg, cue already pointing to the correct direction there, and bridge is already on the line. Slide, spot the ball. Stay still. In this way, you can learn indirectly, by the way, your straight shots, your angle shots, and mechanically, like most professionals do, is correct movement. It's very difficult walking into the line, placing your leg, your cue, and then kind of adjusting your hips to the correct line. It's much more complicated move. But if you put your heel like this and leg straight, it's already placing your back arm correct, your bridge correct, your heel correct, everything to the correct line. So let me summarize. Angle, right leg, left leg on line, and play the shot. If you're gonna use this structure to your shot approach mechanics, I'm sure that it's gonna be much more easier to align to the shots, spot straight or angle shots better, and improve your game. Doesn't matter you're beginning, intermediate, or even advanced player. That could help you as well. More about the program, about mentorship, how I train people in my mentorship program, below description box. Guys, if you enjoyed the content, make sure to subscribe it and see you soon.